Hi guys, it's Motor Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. Guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is Sunday and the weather outside it's baking. Guys, we are burning. It's summer here, so it's August here in Texas. So the heat is something else. But today is Sunday and it's 8 o'clock actually in the morning. So to start my day today, I wanted guys to start my day with you. Let me turn here this camera a little bit so I show you how I'm starting my day. So today I wanted to start with a coffee or tea, but I thought, man, it's too hot. So instead of coffee, whatever, I'm going to start with a smoothie. So my morning smoothie is going to be over here. I have a Ninja, a Deluxe kitchen system. Guys, for those ones who watch my videos, you have seen how I'm using this system. But today, I just wanted to start the day just having my smoothie. And then today we have amazing videos because you are going to see me cleaning some of the things or items that I'm selling on eBay. For those ones who don't know, I have been selling on eBay for a couple of months, and actually I have seen a result, real results from eBay. So today you're going to see me how I clean those old items, not old but used items, and we are going to put them outside to dry because the heat, why not? So but for now, let's start from our kitchen. So I feel like I need to start with a papaya, and I'm going to use this cup. It's called a single serving cup. This Ninja here has some components which I have shown you. Let me just move it over here. Yeah, it has some components that I've shown you on my, if you go to Motor Lifestyle YouTube channel, you are going to see the entire system there. This is a Ninja. It's called a Ninja Deluxe kitchen system. Okay, so but today we are going to start with a papaya. I don't want to waste my time because I need to do some other chores. So I'm going to cut papaya. I'm not doing much because I'm by myself today. Here, some people are stepped out, so it's only me who is going to eat this smoothie by myself. So I am quickly going to blend this smoothie so that I can start doing the chores of today. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to peel this papaya right here, right now, where you guys are looking. The rest of the papaya can be here because I don't need it. So I'm going to cut it, put my papaya in here. Yes, guys, I wash my hands. So don't worry. So I'm going to put, and if you put a little bit of seeds here, don't worry. So my papaya is going to be in here first. This is my breakfast, remember. So I have to be quick. And I'm going to peel some of my pears. As you know, guys, I have lots of pears in my backyard. So I'm going to peel one of my pears, which is ripe, here. So it's going to be a papaya pear smoothie. That is how we are going to call it, because it's going to be a bunch of fruits mixed together. And I'm going to chop my pear with the papaya together like this. Yay, guys, the papaya is ripe and it's so guys, I was tempted. Of course, I'm not going to forget my banana. I love banana. So let's chop our banana. I'm not going to forget my carrot. I have to put my carrot here. So that is what is going to be my breakfast today. This one I'm going to put it in my kitchen garden because it's manure. So we are going to go outside together so we can throw this away so that you can see how my kitchen is suffering. My kitchen garden right now, it's a mess, but let's finish making this. So what I'm gonna do, I feel like I'm putting up this mango, but the mango actually looks not ripe. But let me just go ahead and drop a little bit of mango in here. This mango is humongous, guys, look at it, but it's not ripe yet. So we are going to put the mango in here quickly. So I'm gonna chop it and put it here. quickly. So I'm going to put warm water because I don't like it cold, like that. And then we are going to use this grater. It's called a grater because it's a knife that chops. So we are going to cover. Guys, give me a second. So let's go ahead and blend this. It is done. Wow. Look at that.